Hello, welcome to the pharmacy.
Hello.
How can I help you?
I need some medicine.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache.
Since when have you had it?
Since this morning.
Is the pain severe?
Yes, it's a little strong.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Do you have a cough?
No, I don't.
Do you have a sore throat?
No, I don't.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not.
I recommend these tablets.
Thank you.
Take one tablet after meals.
Okay.
Take it 3 times a day.
I understand.
Drink plenty of water.
I will.
Get enough rest.
Thank you for the advice. How much does it cost?
It costs $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Your payment is successful.
Great.
You're very welcome. Get well soon and have a great day.
Thank you for your help. Have a wonderful day.